Hey, welcome back to my channel. I'm so excited to be back and sharing a fun nail art design with you all. Today's nail design is fun and playful. I've been really into these syrup colors right now, and maybe because spring is here and the weather has been somewhat warm and it's just been making me feel a bit inspired. This is going to be super fun and super easy to recreate, so let's go ahead and get started. I've been seeing a lot of potential on what syrup colors can do, and I know a lot of Korean gel brands love syrup colors. I noticed that Korean gel brands tend to come out with new syrup colors almost every other season. Are you guys kind of like me where you often ask yourself why they create so many syrup colors? Because I love opaque colors and I like wearing plain colors most of the time, and a lot of clients that I serve tend to like more opaque colors versus sheer, so I kind of thought that was kind of strange that every now and again they would come out with new sheer colors. I've just been loving these syrup colors, and I want to show you a little bit of what you can do with these syrup colors. And if you often ask yourself, how can I utilize these kind of gel? I'll tell you some great ideas for that. If you love doing marbling nails, I find it that syrup colors are really great for that kind of design. You just can't go wrong with overcommitting too much color with these syrup gels. I've also seen other artists start using these syrup colors as shading colors for character drawings. That's what I'm going to be doing today with my little Kirby nail design. Of course, it's been a while since I last used the gel palette from Hey Nails, so I'm pulling that out today. If you haven't checked out my review on that, make sure to do so. I'll leave it in the cards. Of course, I'm pulling out my 3D mold because Kirby has stars in it, so I feel like this would tie into the design that I'm doing. Of course, the 3D molds are coming out. With 3D gel, all you really need is a very small amount, and then just push it into the silicone mold and you have your design. So with this gel palette, if you remember, I talked about how it's not as opaque as I wanted to, so I'll be doing 2 coats of the Kirby and his feet. You know, I've noticed that with this gel palette, because I haven't used it for a while and it's been kind of sitting, the gel has, I don't even know what you call it, thickened, I guess. Thickened a little bit versus the first time I did use this palette, which I feel like it has changed the consistency of the gel and how it feels when I apply the gel. Now, is it good or is it bad? That I don't know. I guess overall, as long as I'm enjoying these gel paints, I might as well put it to use, right? Are you guys kind of like me when I buy something and it doesn't turn out the way that I like, or I don't even care for the product? I just can't seem to let it go. I know I have so many like old products that just needs to be trashed, but I'm such a hoarder. Now that it's time to start shading, I'm taking this dark brown syrup color by Fgel. This color just looks like it's dark, but it's really not. I will be toning it down a bit with some clear gel just so that it can blend a little bit better. I mostly use Fgel products, and I haven't used Fgel gels too much because I'm not a huge fan of how thick their gels tend to be. As a beginner, it's important to be careful when using gel brands that are too thick, as they can really easily create wrinkles in your design. The reason why I love Fgel is that their gels have the perfect viscosity where they're thin enough to work with, but not overly thick that it becomes difficult to apply or prone to wrinkles. I think it's a great choice for both beginners and experienced nail artists. This is the final look. I hope you enjoyed this design. Let me know if you recreate this look in the comments below. As always, if you enjoyed this video, hit the thumbs up, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.